Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect your SELPHY CP1300 to a Wi-Fi. Now it's going to be extremely simple, and instead of using the application, we are going to use the on-screen display for this. Navigate through the Wi-Fi settings on your on-screen display. Right after, choose the connection setting, and from there you want to select other, and of course via wireless router. Now, instead of choosing the WPS connection, you want to look for wireless routers, and then you have access to all of the routers around that specific area. So just look for your Wi-Fi. Of course, enter the passwords. We then have to confirm it by pressing OK once more. And then here is the overall Wi-Fi or SSID that we connected onto. So just make sure that everything is correct. Click OK once again, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.